歡迎大家翻嚟 Raz 少齊齊煮 You betcha, it's me, Raz. It's getting really cold right now, so I decided to cook something really warm for you guys. If you want to find out what it is, let's go. 我今日會煮羊腩煲，但係唔係你一般嗰啲羊腩煲，平時都係紅燒啦，或者係燜嘅。但係今次我整個羊腩煲個湯都可以飲埋嘅。首先我會擺啲羊肉去出水先，呢個羊係冰鮮嘅。It also works perfectly well with this recipe too, because 新鮮羊都好難 come across. So pour enough water to 冚晒你啲羊腩先。Then we're going to put in 我哋啲葱、啲薑片同埋啲紹興。If we can， 我哋都想整走嗰啲冰鮮個雪藏味道咯。咁水滾啦，我哋就係拎佢走，跟住去洗咗啲羊肉啦。咁啲羊肉出完水啦，記得要洗乾淨佢嘅。有咩作用啦？就係洗走啲冰鮮味、雪藏味同埋啲臊味。咁而家咧，我哋咧就會煎啲魚，整魚湯。喺個好熱個鑊嘅時候，就倒啲油，跟住 slide in your ginger， 跟住放你哋啲魚落去。今日咧，我就會整多啲魚湯，因為一半啲湯咧會用嚟整羊腩煲，跟住 the other half。我哋就會用嚟打邊爐啊！我就係猛咁 smash 同 crush 啲魚 ，because I want to have a much more richer fish soup。其實你用咩魚都得嘅 ，but I would choose something more flavorful， 因為我想我個魚湯濃啲嘅。So one of the secrets 去整奶白魚湯啦，就係要擺好熱 boiling water 去撞嗰啲頭先整碎咗啲魚。咁啲魚湯你都見到啊，白晒啦 ，you know that it's ready. After that， 我哋會隔晒啲魚渣。咁先我哋會開咗個爐，我就用咗呢個陶瓷鍋 because 咁先有 feel 啊嘛，倒啲油落去。And what we want to do here is 擺啲薑片同埋啲葱。咁我會擺啲羊腩 fat downwards。咁我哋會抽走啲葱，咁如果你見到啲葱啦好似窿啦，你就要拎走佢。啲羊啦，我哋想煎兩邊都係少少窿窿地，我就會倒啲紹興酒去提升佢個味道，跟住我會倒啲魚湯 ，pour enough fish soup to cover all the lamb。跟住擺藥材包嗰啲料，之前咧要浸咗佢先。浸佢咧個原因咧 is to wash it actually。And 記得去浸你啲菇索呢啲湯係真係好正嘅。而家開咗猛火 ，so we're going to 冚蓋，熄細火燜佢，大約45 minutes。咁而家就係9個字。咁 let's see how it turned out。哇！睇下啲羊肉熟咗未啦 ？You would know right away after 你插個筷子落去會穿嘅。咁擺啲枝竹入去，你去煮1分鐘或so，你去索晒啲汁。Then we'll put 鹽同埋啲蠔油。咁 if you're satisfied with it， 咁就我哋會落我哋個芹菜同埋杞子，俾煮多around 1分鐘就可以上菜啦。咁先，我會試啲湯。哇 ，nice and warm here。哇，同埋啲羊。I'm loving this。都有少少羊味，唔會 over 咗。啲湯又清嘅。咁你又見到我有咁多湯，係同埋咁多配料，係因為食完羊腩煲嘅時候咧，就會倒多啲湯，跟住打邊爐啊。咁於是一餸可以煮兩食咯。咁 What do you think about this recipe? You let me know. Come see you next time.
You guys learn anything from me?
記得 CSL 我啊！